Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and thank y'all for stopping by once again. Welcome to episode 5 of the Booze News, the news that you can use. This episode, we're going to do a drink called A Walk on the Dark Side. Please remember to drink responsibly, and if you can't drink responsibly, please drink with responsible people and enjoy. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have our table with our ingredients ready to rock and roll here. We're going to start off with our favorite, our Cruzan Aged Light Rum. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Proof that good camera work ain't cheap, and cheap camera work ain't good. We're going to go about a third of the way up here with our rum. A little more for good measure. There it is. Next, we're going to take our cranberry, dark cherry juice, and go another third of the way. Then we're going to take our pineapple juice and we're going to put just a splash in there. Now we're going to give this a good shake. Then the ever popular taste test. To be completely honest with you, ladies and gentlemen, that drink actually surprised me. It was a whole lot better than I thought it was going to be. So if you get a chance, you may want to check this one out. But hey, as always, don't take my word for it. Here's the celebrity judges for this episode.
Cheers, Paul.